Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive through Birmingham, Alabama on US Highway 11, beginning at mile marker 142. We're in Birmingham's Roebuck Southeast Lake community. The name Roebuck comes from Roebuck Spring, a natural spring located in Roebuck Hawkins Park. George Roebuck established his homestead in the vicinity of the spring, where he built a log cabin in 1850. Subsequently, a portion of his property, including the majority of the spring pond, became the Alabama Boys Industrial School in 1899. Adjacent to the spring, the land below it underwent development and was designated as the Roebuck Springs Country Club. Around the year 1900, an artificial pond measuring approximately 150 feet in width and 450 feet in length was created by constructing a soil and fieldstone barrier to dam Roebuck Spring. Additionally, a spring house constructed using fieldstone and adorned with a small water wheel was built. This structure served as housing for pumping equipment that supplied water to the industrial school. Nearby, a subdivision called Roebuck Springs was developed in the early 1900s. US 11 takes on the name of Parkway East here, as we see the surrounding scenery move away from the dense urban commercial landscape we've been in for most of the Birmingham metro. The upcoming intersection caught me by surprise. US 11 bears to the right while Parkway East continues straight. We didn't have a detailed map handy, and I had to make a split-second decision about which way to go, and I made the wrong choice. But the error was easily corrected with a couple of turns. This section of US 11 is called Gadsden Highway, although US 11 completely bypasses Gadsden ahead. Here, US 11 separates the neighborhoods of Huffman to the left and South Roebuck to the right. We reach a junction with I-459, and this is the eastern end of Birmingham's southern half loop. If you remember several videos back, just before we entered Bessemer, we had crossed the western end of I-459. After 3 full videos in the city of Birmingham, we finally reach the city limits, and we conclude today's video at mile marker 147, just as we enter the city of Trussville. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.